Yes, it's true. This man has no dick.
Oh, God. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, I'm squirting.
Where's the bong?
Alex, you forgot smoking lamp.
But let me tell you something. I love weed, okay? I love it. But not as much as I love pussy.
'Cause you don't think garbage disposal sound like Chewbacca taking a shit, that's why.
Mr. Valentine, you said you're a fireman.
Yes, that is correct.
Do you have two jobs? Because my dad said that you're also a butt pirate.
All I have left in this world is my faith in Jesus. All I could ask is that he keeps me on the right path and forgives me if I go down the wrong one. Blacktastic 2K5. Yo, I used to fuck chicks and I used to eat pussy. One day I looked down at my cock covered with pussy debris. My life was on lock and I needed a key. Little did I know the key was a dick and my face was a lock. All I needed was a cock in my mouth. I needed a switch. I don't wanna fuck chicks. I just gotta dish my licks and get my fix of a pile of dicks stacked up like bricks in a row of six. Chubby dicks, stubby dicks, fat dicks, skinny dicks, black dicks, curvy dicks, any dicks. Call your friends for a dick lick party. Compliments of me and my bag of dicks sucking tricks like Penelope Cruz and Blow. I'd like a white line of shit shot up my fucking nose, white like snow. A snowball and sperm from my nasal passages to my throat. Oh, and just yo, no time I suck 6 in a row. I suck 6 in a row. One time I suck 6 dirty dicks in a row. One time I got my kicks with Joe and I sucked his dick. Yo, 5 of my friends in a row. One time I suck 6 in a row. One time I suck 6 dirty dicks in a row. One time I got my kicks with Joe and I sucked his dicks. And 5 of my friends in a row. We're talking 6 fat dirty dicks, 6 thick fat dirty bricks organized in a row, shooting loads in my cake mix so I can bake a fat cake. And while we wait, you can break your dick off in my face, rub bits on my balls, cause it's got a runny nose. You can see my bulge and it shows through my clothes. As it close, my mouth is small, so I gotta suck dicks and rows. But who knows, we can fit two, I suppose. Yo, just like I expected, your balls are infected, you should have been protected. But when I suck your cock and your friends erected and connected and ejected, the hot loads all over the place, but don't feel neglected. I'll still suck you off, just jamming in my face, jamming. Don't forget to tell your fucking friends that I deep throat to the face. I deep throat to the face. One time I suck 6 in a row to the face. One time I suck 6 dirty dicks in a row. One time I got my kicks with Joe and I suck his dick. Sucking 5 of his friends in a row. One time I suck 6 in a row. One time I suck 6 dirty dicks in a row. One time I got my kicks with Joe and I sucked his dick. That's 5 of his friends in a row. Yo, bro,
what's up?
I'm in the mood for some dicks to blow.
For real?
Like, whoa.
Well shit, maybe I should grab these 5 dudes I know and show up to your bitch so we can get our cocks sucked.
Yeah, although? Well yeah, I got a minor headache and I'm all out of Excedrin. All I got left is some NyQuil and some Robitussin.
Well that's cool, I'll sprinkle aspirin powder on my dick, quid bro. Whoa, gift you get, just get ready to suck me and my 5 friends off in the backseat of my Geo Metro.
Geo Metro? But are you sure everyone can cram inside it?
Probably just open wide and maybe we can all fit.
I'm talking about in the Metro, not in my mouth. You know I only suck dicks in a row.
Yeah, I know, now my dick is hard, I gotta go.
Yo, one time I suck 6 in a row. One time I suck 6 dirty dicks in a row. One time I got my kicks with Joe and I sucked his dick. And 5 of his friends in a row. One time I suck 6 in a row. One time I suck 6 dirty dicks in a row. One time I got my kicks with Joe and I sucked his down. And 5 of his friends in a row. I got a tight though, I got an even tighter asshole, but you can't touch it, cause I only suck dicks. Or when I sell my house, I gotta look into equity and escrow. And if my real estate agent is there, I promise suck him and his business partners off in a row. As long as there's like 6 of them, footage, you and your kids.